Hi Hina, so for creating an asset, I've actually done a screencast for this. So if you just go to the PebblePad link, so there's a link to PebblePad. So if you go to the PPD1 Blackboard site, and just down here there's a link to your PebblePad, so you click on that. And there's some screencasts there. So there's a screencast there on how to do a reflection on PebblePad. But also if you actually go into Atlas, and if you go, so you're in Atlas now, so that's this one here. If you just go to resources, there's some more screencasts there. So there's a screencast on getting started with the assignments, how to copy and submit, but also how to hyperlink. So that shows you actually how to hyperlink it, and the other one shows you how to write a reflection. So, and then what you would do is, so similar to what Kerry asked, if you were discussing a skill or you're articulating a skill of an OT, and you'd written a reflection that backs up that, you'd link it to it. So hope that helps.